SheFi Season 15. In this demo, I'll go over how to set up your wallet in your Brave browser. Brave browser has a wallet built in, so you don't need to add it as an extension. To get started, you're going to look for the wallet icon in the top right of the Brave browser. You're going to click on the wallet icon to open it, and you're going to see Brave Wallet. Use this panel to securely access Web3 and all your crypto assets. You're going to click the button that says Learn More. When you click Learn More, it's going to take you to a new page in your browser, and you'll see two options: Need a new wallet, already have a wallet. I'm going to take you through the flow of need a new wallet, but if you already have your secret phrase or your private key from a previous wallet, you could select already have a wallet and import either of those. Now click Need a new wallet. Before we begin, you're going to read through and acknowledge that this is a self-custody wallet. You've become your own bank and you are responsible for everything that happens. Select Continue. Then you're going to do supported networks. These are the top ones. I'm going to select Continue with these networks. Then I'm going to select a password. I'm going to have good password hygiene. Then select Continue. Now I'm going to show you your recovery phrase. You're going to write down these 12 words in order on a piece of paper. You would never show this to anyone. I'm going to throw this away after this demo. I have a notebook and a pen, and I'm going to write down these 12 words in order. Proof I've written down my secret phrase. Now I'm going to select Continue. And now I need to enter the word in position 1 for my recovery phrase. Remember, you would never do this with anyone. I am going to throw this away. Now my wallet has been set up using my secret recovery phrase. I can click Go to Portfolio, and this is my wallet. If you click on the wallet icon, now your wallet will open up as well. If you click on accounts, you can see your different wallet addresses for the different networks. Account 1 is Ethereum and the EVM chains. You have a Filecoin account, Solana, Bitcoin, Zcash, Cardano. To get your public address, which you can share with others, you're going to click on account 1. Then you're going to click on the 2 squares next to the string of letters and numbers, and that will copy your public address so you can share it with others. If you want to find your private key, which you would never ever share with anyone, you can click on the 3 dots on the right, go to export, type in your password. This would show you your private key, and you could write that down as well. On the Brave wallet, you can explore assets, NFTs, and activity, and you can see buttons to buy, send, swap, and more. And that is how you set up the wallet in your Brave browser. So now you can explore crypto, explore all of Web3 with this wallet. Follow us at SheFi.org on YouTube for more crypto demos.